Namaste everyone. My name is Manish, Holy City Warrior. This video will be discussing about crane pose Vakasana. And first video is about preparation. Okay, how to prepare mentally and how to prepare physically. So for every posture, mental preparation is very important, especially if you're a beginner and especially if you're doing a balancing posture. So what we do for the mental preparation, we start with the child's pose and there we prepare ourselves. So you need to prepare your mind like for the proper breathing. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Try to keep breathing. Try to find the balance with your breath first. That will help you a lot. Then next thing, in balancing posture, where you're looking, you need to just pick a point, okay, and there you look. Now a little bit about the physical part. So after staying in child's pose for few seconds and after preparing yourself mentally, you start to do some warm-up. You can start with the sun salutation. That's the best warm-up for all kind of postures. Now the next thing, which is a very important part when we do crane pose, the position of your shoulders. We can do 4 movements with the shoulder blades or scapula. First one is elevation. Second one is depression. Third one is protraction. Fourth one is retraction. In the crane pose, you try to maintain that protraction position of the shoulder blades. We will come for the tabletop, and in tabletop, just shift your body weight forward and back. Okay, shift the body weight forward and back. So this is a very good preparation for the wrist, good warm up for the wrist, okay, which is important for the crane pose or crow pose or any other balancing posture. Like then you will turn your fingers backward towards your thighs, and then in the same way you shift the body weight forward and then back. And after that you can again go for child's pose, do some wrist rotation for releasing the tension from your wrist there. So same exercise we will be doing, but this time with the high plank. Make sure your shoulder and wrist should be in one line and your hips should be in the center. Then without disturbing your hips again, you shift the body weight forward and shift the body weight back. Make sure your shoulder blades position should be protracted. Then you need to come for the dolphin plank with your elbows down. If you want, you can interlace the fingers. If not, so keep the fingers apart. With the straight body, do some shoulder movement. Okay, so you can do the protraction and retraction. After doing that exercise, again you can go for child's pose. Relax yourself a little bit. You will lay down on your back and then you will raise your arm and bring your arms in a line with your wrist in a line with the shoulder, palm facing up completely to the ceiling or sky. Keep the fingers spreaded and your elbows straight. Then without disturbing your arms, bend your knees and bring your knees close to your armpit. Toes pointed. Push the heels close to the hips and then lift your chest up, lift your shoulder up and try to bring your knee close to the armpit and chest as much as you can. These are some basic exercises, okay, and good for everyone. It doesn't matter you're a beginner, you're an advanced level practitioner. A very good warm-up and very good preparation. After this, what you need to do some counter stretches. So again you will come for the tabletop. Again this time, okay, what you will do, you will turn your back of the palm to the mat. you will do the counter stretch with the wrist, and then you hold it there for a few breaths. Then you change the side. Again, your back of the palm on the mat. Try to keep your arms straight and stretch your back of the wrist there. And after that, again, you can go for child's pose, do some wrist rotation. So this was the first part of the video. Okay, preparation for the crane pose. In next video, I'll be giving you some challenge related to the crane pose. In that video, I will tell you more why we need to prepare ourselves mentally and how we can do that. Preparation is so important and I will tell you about some more preparation with the challenges there. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, so don't forget to give it a like and share this video, subscribe my channel for more videos, and prepare yourself for next video. Thank you so much. Namaste.